in the first year of the plumbing course, they would learn about the basics of the plumbing skills, so what different pipes they've got, how to manipulate and joint the plumbing fixtures and fittings. In the classroom, they would learn about the basics of the industry really, and then in the second year, which progresses from there, it would be how to affix the units in the property, so basins, baths, things like that, and then moving on to slightly more in depth in the third year with design and how to lay out a property and how to organise central heating systems and things like that. So the course is split 50-50 with 3 hours a day in the classroom and then 3 hours in the workshop, obviously depending on the timetabling. Some students will have a 3-day week, others will have a 2.5 days depending on results that they get at GCSE level. We do try and encourage the lesson for employability, so that way they can learn about gaining jobs, possible apprenticeships and so on, so they can see what's happening in the real world as well. We have, with the employability team, we have site visits that we organise, we have companies come in to discuss their products and the tools they use. We've had workshops with other companies so they can become aware of new products that are out there, sustainability and so on, so that does come in a big part.
We are very good at Leeds College of Building of moving students into employment. We have lots of employers who contact us asking us for our brightest and best. We work with employers to generate work placements. Now this will be maybe 1 or 2 students going out for a number of days to work alongside that employer to really get a feel for what it's like on the tools or in the office, depending on which discipline you're choosing.
All the full-time students have access to Progress Coach. They're able to talk to the students about any worries they may have with progressing in their careers, whether it's how the course is going, if they want to get onto the apprenticeship, and anything in between. It's a very good gateway to be able to talk to us as tutors. Students have got someone they can talk to confidentially, and we can help them as much as possible in their career progression.
Leeds College of Building, we've got like a really massive comprehensive offer for the enrichment and sports programme. We've got a Leeds College of Building football team, we've got a rugby team, we've got links with JD Gym, so students can get free gym sessions Monday to Friday. We do some Thai boxing, self-defence sessions after college. The offer's really good. I don't see much offer like that in many other colleges.